today we're here with...
I'm Jaime Adante, BSCBA Operations Management, cum laude.
Okay, so Sir Hans, how does it feel to say that you're graduating as a cum laude po?
Honestly, I didn't expect to graduate with that in honors since my only goal is to finish my degree, but because of this, I'm very grateful po. Talaga.
Okay, so does graduating with Latin honors is your biggest plot twist po, or is there something else?
It is one of the biggest practice, and additionally is nakaka-graduate ako. So, at 30 years old, since I lost in life, na-lost track ako, and then somehow nag-graduate talaga ako, especially with Latin honors.
Okay, so that's great to hear po na Sir Hans. Bale, how do you juggle po yung pagiging night class student with your academics?
Honestly, it's really challenging to juggle the work and academic responsibility. So the first thing you can do is to prioritize your needs, and then as much as possible organize. However, we are human and we mess sometimes. So the only thing I can advise is to move forward no matter how slow or how fast you can. Basta patuloy lang, kahit lumiko ka, kahit nag-stop ka, patuloy lang patuloy. Kahit slowly.
So that's a really great message, Sir. So before we end po, I want you to complete this sentence. Being an ambition means...
Being an ambition means a catalyst of excellence. Believe, and movement. Kasi being an ambition, you have to move forward. No matter how hard or how challenging the life is, especially to us working students na sobrang hirap dyan. Then you have also the power to promote excellence, especially you have already graduated, so meron ka ng influence to the society. And believe na with the knowledge that you gain, you can use it for a betterment of our society.
Okay, so do you have any message you'd like to say po to our fellow ambitions and of course to our school?
To the fellow ambitions, patuloy lang, believe, kahit walang maniwala sa'yo, believe in yourself first para at least kahit hindi man malinaw yung pagdadaanan, you have to believe in yourself first. And to all the graduates, congratulations. I'm very proud of you, especially to our working students na sobrang hirap ng pinagdaanan natin and we made it.